About a year and a half ago you saw me work on this thing, which is a Kuba Lido 58, and I really like it. I have it playing every weekend, the reception is great on the radio, the record player is a very neat little device, and then of course it has the extra boost chamber on the left. However, I recently discovered a factory named SABA, and when you see what they do with their music boxes, then you know that this thing has potential. It looks great, but what I really liked about the SABA receivers is that they have illuminated keyboards, and that's what we're going to fit this thing with during the course of this video. These are the light bulbs and fittings I'm going to use, and in order to mount these underneath the switched on keys, I'm most likely going to mount them on this rail here. Now this thing sits way too tall in order to be of a practical height. The light bulb would sit inside the key rather than underneath it. So now with 6.3 volts connected to chassis ground and the middle pin on the fitting, this bar here grounds out the outer thread of the fitting and therefore completes the circuit. And the other one is going to do so in much the same way. Right, this is the moment of truth. Will it work or will it explode? Looks pretty good to me. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Certainly I did. This looks much better now. And if you wanted to, you could just hook up, 5 more little light bulbs and illuminate the rest of the keyboard. But that's fine with me. I only use these 2 anyway. What I might go ahead and do is put some black pieces of cardboard in between the keys so that you don't get this cross-lighting effect and really only this key is illuminated. But for now I'm really happy with it. And yeah, that's it for this one. See you later and bye bye.